What's up? It's your girl, SaucyyAlan, and that's what? Two motherfucking wives. Welcome back, y'all, to another motherfucking video. However one it goes. Point is, we're back with another video. It's a hair tutorial, a much requested hair tutorial at that. I'm going to be doing some perm rods. More importantly, let's get into this video. So, when I've been deep conditioning for a little while. I still am freshly washed and conditioned hair when I do these perm rods. So my hair is washed. It's good. This is just leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna rinse this out because I actually deep conditioned the other day, but it was just parted. So we're just gonna start with our normal process, detangling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and finger detangle, and I'll show you guys how I finger detangle with just a small section. So tie that up. It already has leave-in conditioner. I always suggest detangling with something with slip, or if you want to do it with just water, I do it with just water sometimes, but really saturate the hair. Boom. And then you just detangle going up the shaft. My mirrors are here, so I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Going up your shaft is normal, but starting with your ends, of course, and just slowly, since my hair was up in the ponytail, it's really the middle that's like kind of tangled. You take your time and you just slowly go to the top. I'm gonna run through this head real quick, and then we'll get into how we do the perm rods. So now that my hair is all combed out, I already started making one part, but first of all, you start with a part by deciding where you want your hair to be parted at, or like how you want to wear it. So I'm wearing mine down this time instead of in like a bowl shape. So I started by parting it in the middle, but I'm still going to part this side going down. So I already parted one. I'm looking now, and this part is not the best. I'm looking in the mirror while I do this, y'all. So if I'm not looking at the camera at y'all, just know my mirror is right here. I'm in the bathroom. So I'm gonna add that little bit to my part. I'm just kind of twist my hair out the way and put a ponytail loose around the end. But yeah, so this will go into this little part, and I'm gonna section off all of my hair first. You could do this as you go, but I feel like if you section it off first, it actually goes a little bit faster when you get into flat twisting. So just do it. I'm just gonna twist it a little bit so it stays together. Boom. Rubber band towards the end, so when we get ready we can slide it off. Pretty okay part. Don't come for my parts in the comment, because that ain't what God sent you here for. He sent you here to learn how to do this hairstyle. So don't come for me in the comments. But we're gonna do that to our whole head. My air conditioning be coming on and be scaring the shit out of me. So I'm like, is it time to fight? No, but it's not. But this to your whole head. I'm about to finish it, and I'll come back and show you guys the rest. Alright, so now you're gonna flat twist it. I did practice it real quick so I didn't remember. So what I do is I take a lot more than this. It's by SaucyyAlan, a heavier cream to clump your hair together, so that it's kind of in like the texture to get ready to twist. So then, you're gonna part by taking one little layer of hair first. Boom. Take another section of hair and start these by twisting together. This is the same idea as doing cornrows. So when you get ready to twist your new piece, after you twist it once, you grab another new piece of hair and you twist. And kind of hold it in the direction that your flat twist is laying, because that's going to help you keep it closer. Same thing. You got a new piece of hair. You twist that part over that you put the hair in. You grab a new piece of hair. I use two hands. Some people are like great at doing it better than, or do it faster than this. But you just keep twisting that. Add another little piece of hair. Boom. Just keep twisting down. And you do that till you get all the way to the end. So I'm just keep going real quick. I'm not super fast at it yet. I only do these flat twists every once in a while. So like when I hadn't done this hairstyle for a long time, it really showed in like how long it took me to remember how to flat twist again. Because it was just like, okay, I've not done this in forever, like forever. So boom. So now you have your flat twist. And if you feel like it's kind of loose, you can like roll it inwards so that it lays down flatter on your hair. Even the ends, if your hair is like super soft like mine, like I have a looser texture. Phone call. But anywho, you're going to now take, like I said, if it gets loose, you can like twist it in. My hair's in a way you can twist it in. and like that way it'll lay flatter. You can do the same to the end if your hair is loose like mine. But you're gonna take the end of your hair. This is more important. That end where it's at, I usually just take a little bit more cream, or if you're using leave-in conditioner, you can use that too. And I put it over it so that it's like clumps together, because for some reason like the ends of hairstyles is usually what gets you. And I kind of like smooth it on so it just stays. And then after that, I tightly roll this up. My hands are kind of slippery, so that's kind of the hard part. Like, you want to have slip for your hair so it doesn't get tangled, but it's in the same breath, like, you don't want it to slip off. So you just roll it up, boom, secure the top. And alright, as you can see, I got the whole head set up. We just gonna add this last one on. Next, we're gonna go in with a hair oil and like a hair grease. To me, grease is thicker, oil is like your starting growth oil, but I just use the Millie Organic Influencer hand. Millie Organics, girl, you can do it. This, okay? I don't want to do it, but yeah. Can't open it because my hand is slippery. There we go. So I just use this. Give them a dropper full. I usually start here, and then I'm just gonna go down and in between, like into each little part. On my grease, and I grease that scalp down. My hair at this point is not super wet. It's pretty much dry, but I usually like leave this overnight. I'll do this to leave it overnight. And yeah, just take it out in the morning. So, about to finish this real quick. So yeah, we're gonna take it down in the morning, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. It's a little bit later in the day. I usually do this in the morning if I'm going somewhere, but I'm not going to work till the afternoon, so not doing it till afternoon. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of coconut oil, rub it on my hands, because when you're taking down your hair, anytime you take down your hair, don't go in there with dry hands. It usually makes your hair frizzy and messes up the style. You can use any oil. I use coconut oil because it's just a lighter oil. And yeah, all my hands are nice, moisturized, good slip. Let's go ahead and take this first one down, boom. Gently pull it off. Don't just be yanking it off. See, it just goes back up. Be gentle with your hair. And I really just kind of find towards the end. I don't go to the very end. And I try and like pull it apart where it's naturally twisted at. So I do that. Boom, boom, boom. And they kind of, if you like spin it the opposite direction of you twist, of how you twisted it, it comes apart like way easier. So I kind of spin and then like pull it apart, boom. And then this is kind of just what it looks like when I just take it apart. I end up having like a couple other small sections of curly hair. It usually happens in the front for me. I have to bend all the way down here so the shadow from the sun wouldn't be in the way. My face looks super shiny because of the sun. This is how it turned out. Y'all, let's spin. Ew. Okay. Whew. That was a lot. Like on the floor. I just cleaned the floor, so it's clean. But after that, I just take some extra coconut oil because this part look a little dry. Get it looking juicy. I go through and fluff. I'm going to leave my hair like this. But you can style it, you can part it however, and like fluff up the roots. Like take a wide tooth comb and fluff up the roots. I'm doing it with my hands just because I'm wearing it like this low. But you just fluff up the roots. You can flip your hair over and fluff it up also. And then it just gives it a bigger look. And you can switch up the part. You can switch up the part throughout the days you have it. You can add some edge control, do whatever. I'm not really big on doing my edges because I decay how to do them, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, you got a little bop for me, Babiana. I'm sorry. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in another mother freaking video.